Welcome to the tutorial on how to complete the Census of Juveniles in Residential Placement, CJRP for short, Section 2. To begin, click on the green Start button next to Section 2, Persons in Custody. Section 2 collects housed youth data within your facility. Before entering any data, please read Section 2 instructions. Only include persons who were under age 21 on date of admission and assigned a bed in this facility at the end of the day on Wednesday, March 26, 2025, and charged with an offense or court adjudicated for an offense, and assigned a bed here because of the offense. If you are able to report how many young persons were housed in your facility on March 26, 2025, click Yes, then click Next. You will return to Section 2. To enter person-level data, you can manually add a person individually or download the template that is provided for you. We highly recommend downloading the template provided for you. This allows for a more streamlined data entry. Begin by clicking Download Template. Once you click the link, the file will download to your system and you can open the file. Before entering any data, carefully read the instructions on the README sheet to ensure all information is accurate and meets the required criteria. Please also review the race code sheet and the offense codes sheet. These sheets are especially important to code person-level data accurately. Pay special attention to the offense codes listed. These could differ slightly from how offenses are coded in your state and/or record system, and you may need to reclassify your offenses into one of our existing categories. If you have any questions about coding, please contact us. Incomplete or incorrect submissions may delay processing and/or require follow-up. Once you have read the instructions and reviewed the race and offense code sheets, you are ready to enter data. Click on the Enter Person Data Here sheet. I have already added some made-up data as an example. As you can see, you'll enter a row for each youth you're reporting on. The questions for each youth are at the top of the spreadsheet. There are 10 questions in total. Take notice of the color-coded edits on the spreadsheet. For question 2, date of birth, red cells indicate that person is 21 or older and needs review. Gray cell means no response is required. For question 4, race specify, question 5, placement specify, and question 9, adjudication status specify, yellow cells indicate missing data and need review. For question 7, offense codes, red cells indicate an invalid offense code and need review. Please reference the offense codes sheet for correct coding or contact us if you need assistance. For question 10, admission date, red cells indicate that admission date exceeds 10 years. Please review dates for accuracy. If the youth has resided in the facility for more than 10 years, no changes are needed. This flag is just to highlight possible typos. These are some examples of response options within cells using a drop-down menu. For example, if you are filling in for question 5 placement, you can see all possible response options and the numerical code for each. You do not need to type out or know each code. The codes are provided for you. On questions that have list all that apply, like question 4, you can enter multiple responses by adding a comma. You will need to manually enter your responses separated by a comma if multiple answers apply. Clicking the drop-down menu will not work in this situation. Once you have finished entering all data and reviewing for errors, please save this file to your computer. Return to Section 2 to upload your completed template. Click Upload a File, then browse, select, and upload your file. If your file upload is successful, you will see a file name, date, status, and section. You can also delete and re-upload your files. Click Return to Section 2. You will also see a green File Uploaded text at the top of your screen to confirm your successful upload. This completes our tutorial of the spreadsheet template and upload option. If you have any questions, please click Contact Us to call or email us.